Paintless dent repair pricing can range based on a few different factors. The first and foremost thing that we look at is the size of the damage. Typically, we're looking at how large the damage is in inches, and that's going to range at around $150 for the first inch, and then typically we're going around $50 an inch after that. The second factor we look at is anything that needs to be taken apart on a vehicle. This is what we call removal and installation. So if we take apart a door trim panel, if we take apart a hood or an insulator, or maybe we even drop a headliner, those are all things we have to charge for. The third thing that we look at is a little bit more of a generalized area. We just call this our additional factors. This is things like, is the damage on a body line? Is it obstructed? Is it made out of aluminum or a high-strength steel or another type of material that is more challenging to work on? All of these tend to add just a little bit of time to the repair process and tend to add a little bit of cost as well. Feel free to swing by one of our shops or talk to another local PDR shop in your area, and they'll be happy to get you an estimate for the repair and guide you on getting your vehicle repaired as effectively and efficiently and affordably as possible.